Choosing the right platform for your first website shouldn't feel like solving a puzzle, but between DreamHost and WordPress, the differences aren't always clear. So in today's video, I'm going to break down the differences between DreamHost and WordPress to help you figure out which platform actually makes sense for your website. By the end, you'll know exactly which one suits your goals and how to avoid wasting time or money on the wrong choice. Let's start with what these two actually are, because while they're related, they're not the same thing. DreamHost is a web hosting provider. In simple terms, it's the space where your website files live online. Think of it as renting a plot of land to build your house. You own the design and content, but DreamHost handles the infrastructure, like keeping your site online, managing security, and offering support. WordPress, on the other hand, is a full website building platform that comes with hosting built in. You don't just get a place to put your site, you also get the tools to create, manage, and update your website without needing extra softwares. It's more of a one-stop shop for beginners who want everything handled in one place. Now, let's go over some of the key features of each, starting off with DreamHost. First off is reliable hosting with strong uptime. One of DreamHost's biggest strengths is its uptime guarantee. This means your site will stay online nearly all of the time. DreamHost consistently delivers an uptime rate close to 100%, which puts it on par with the best hosting providers out there. Next is the one-click WordPress installation. DreamHost is officially recommended by WordPress, and that partnership shows how easy it is to set up. With just a single click, you can install WordPress on your site. This feature is a huge time saver for beginners because it skips the complicated manual setup process. Next is the free domain for the first year. Getting your domain name set up can be a headache, especially when you're juggling different services for hosting and domain registration. DreamHost simplifies that by giving you a free domain for the first year. Not only does this save you some cash up front, but it also keeps things simple by bundling everything under one account. Next is unlimited bandwidth. DreamHost offers unlimited bandwidth on all its plans, which means you don't have to worry about the site slowing down as you gain more visitors. If you plan to host a lot of media like videos, high resolution images, or downloadable files, this feature ensures that your site can handle the traffic without extra fees or speed limits. Next is the daily backup and free SSL certificate. Security is a really big deal, and DreamHost doesn't cut corners. Every hosting plan comes with free SSL certificates, which encrypt your site's data to keep it secure. On top of that, DreamHost offers daily backups for free. This means if something goes wrong, whether that's a technical issue, a hack, or just an accidental mistake, you can restore your site without losing everything. Next is free domain privacy protection. When you register a domain, your personal information like your name and contact details is usually visible in public databases. DreamHost offers free domain privacy protection, which hides this information from spammers and hackers. Next is professional services for businesses. So if you're running a business and need some extra help with design, SEO, or website management, DreamHost actually offers professional web services. So you can hire experts directly through their platform for tasks like customizing your site or managing your social media or optimizing your content for search engines. Now let's talk about WordPress key features. First off, their drag and drop builder is one of the biggest advantages. It makes it so easy to build your site. You don't need to know a single line of code. The platform's drag and drop editor lets you design pages by simply clicking and moving elements around. Next is automatic security updates and backups. With WordPress, you don't need to worry about managing security updates or backups. Everything happens automatically. This means you can focus on creating content or growing your audience without consistently checking for plugin updates or worrying about potential security holes. Next is their built-in themes and customization options. WordPress offers a wide variety of themes from minimalistic designs to more complex layouts for photographers, writers, and online stores. Each theme comes with built-in customization tools so you can adjust fonts, colors, and layouts to match your brand. E-commerce support. If you're looking to set up an online store, WordPress does offer built-in e-commerce support, but it is only on the higher tier plan. So this includes the ability to sell physical or digital products, track inventory, and accept payments securely. Okay, so now let's go ahead and take a look at how to get signed up for each and the different pricing options. What you want to do is click the link in the description. I've left it there for DreamHost and Namecheap, but first let's take a look at DreamHost. So they do offer monthly plans or prepaid plans, and you can actually save a ton by prepaying. So first off, they do have a shared starter plan. With this plan, the first year you're just going to pay $2.95 a month, and then after that it goes to $6.99 a month. And if you pay for the first year, you save 63% over monthly. So with this plan, you get one website, a lot of the key features we already talked about. You also get an AI website builder, business advisor, built-in traffic analytics, and a really cool offer is they do have a 97-day money-back guarantee. So if before the 97 days are up, you feel like it's not the best fit for you, you can go ahead and get your money back, which is amazing. Next is the shared unlimited plan, and this is great if you have multiple websites. With this plan, plan. The first year is just $4.95 a month, and then it goes to $12.99 a month after that. But if you do prepay, you can save 65% over the monthly. You get unlimited websites with this plan. Again, everything that's included in the starter plan, but you also get unlimited email at your domain. The last plan is the DreamPress, and for the first year, it's $16.95 a month if you prepay, and then it goes to $19.99 a month, and you can save almost 30% overpaying month to month. With this plan, you get one WordPress site, you get free domain, 100K monthly visitors, unmetered bandwidth, 30 gigabytes of storage, WordPress installer, all of the key features that are in the shared unlimited plan, but you also get on-demand backups and one-click restore, as well as 2 weeks of backup, fast hosting, one-click staging, and an essential CDN. If you want to get started, you can just go ahead and select the plan that best fits your needs, and then you can register a new domain, choose a domain later, or if you already have one, you can connect one. Like I said, the more you prepay, the more you save. So with the yearly, this is $4.95 a month, and with the 3-year, it's $3.95 a month. If you're interested in WordPress, I've also left that link in the description below, but as you can see, they've got a couple of different options here. So first off, with the business plan, this is $25 per month and $300 billed annually, and depending on how much storage you need depends on the price, but here you can see you get unlimited pages, posts, and users and visitors, free domain for a year, all the premium themes, priority 24/7 support, you can upload videos and install plugins, and then next is the WooCommerce. So this is if you want to create a powerful online store with built-in premium extensions, and so this is $45 a month and $540 billed annually, and this is, again, you get everything that's included with the business plan, but you also get the e-commerce tools and optimized WooCommerce hosting. And then lastly is the enterprise, and this is if you need to scale, and this starts at $25,000 per year, but you do have to contact them to learn more. So if you pay yearly, you can save 37% off. If you pay for 3 years, you can save 56% off. So if you want to get started, go ahead and click, and then you will follow the instructions to either set up with your Google or your email, and you're good to go. Now that you know the key features, the different plan options, let's go over some of the pros and cons to figure out which is going to be the best fit for you. Let's start off with DreamHost. So one of the biggest advantages of using DreamHost is the control that it gives you over your website. You're free to customize your site however you want, install any plugins, and tweak your site's performance without any restrictions. It really is a great option for people who want to grow their site over time or need advanced functionality. DreamHost also offers a free SSL certificate, which is crucial for keeping your visitors' data secure, especially if you're running an e-commerce site. Now, some of the cons. It's not as beginner-friendly as WordPress. You'll need to set up WordPress manually and manage technical aspects like backups and security updates. If you're not comfortable with that, it might feel a bit overwhelming, especially if this is your first time running a website. Now, the pros and cons of WordPress. WordPress truly does shine when it comes to simplicity. It's designed for beginners who don't want to mess with technical details. Everything from hosting to security and backups is handled for you. You also get access to these beautiful themes and design tools, making it super easy to create polished and professional sites quickly. But the biggest trade-off is the flexibility. You are limited by the platform's built-in features unless you pay for a higher tier plan. You also don't have full control over your site's code, which can be frustrating if you want to customize your website beyond the available options. So how do you decide? If you're just starting out and you don't want to worry about the technical stuff and need a simple all-in-one solution, I would definitely go with WordPress. If you're, on the other hand, more tech savvy or you're planning to scale your website over time, DreamHost paired with WordPress gives you so much more control. At the end of the day, both platforms are very solid. It really just comes down to what you need and how hands-on you want to be. If you're ready to dive into either DreamHost or WordPress, I've left both links down below. Using those links will ensure that you get the best price possible. So if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel and leave any comments or questions below. This channel is helping you build your first website without all of the stress. We share honest reviews and tips to get you started. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next video.